Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to start our revision, the first chapter, that is the rational numbers. Okay students, first of all we will discuss about that introduction about that, like we will discuss once remind it about that what we have learned. Okay students, what is the rational numbers? Already I have told, already you know that what is the natural number, what is the whole number, what is the integers, and also what is the rational numbers. So what do you mean by rational number? Rational number means a number which can be expressed in the form p upon q, where q not is equal to 0 and p and q are the integers. Are you clear friends? If any number we can write in the form p by q, yes, p by q or p upon q, and q should not be 0 and these both are should be an integer. Okay, but this about that already have stored the definition. Suppose 3 by 4, this is a rational number, this is also a fraction, but this is a fraction also, but this is not a fraction. Students observe, p by q form is also fraction, but what the difference between fraction and rational number? What do you are understanding? Now you should see students, I written these two numbers, you observe. In this, what is the difference? This is also a fraction. Is it a fraction or not? What is then? If it is not a fraction, because the negative sign it is there. Okay, so it is not a fraction. So if it is not a fraction, then what is the number? So this number is called as a rational number. Okay, so these both are rational. This like it will stay or like this will stay. This is a fraction also, but this is not a fraction. Then what is this? This is a rational number. This is also rational number. This is also rational. That means if the number can be expressed in the form p by q, like this it will stay, and the both are also integers. But if both are whole numbers, may it is a fraction. If both are whole numbers, it is a fraction. But if both are integers, means negative sign also it is there, then we can say it is a what? Rational number. But one condition only is there, q should not be 0, the denominator should not be 0. Why? If it 0 will become, then undefined will come. We cannot find out that value. So q should not be 0. Okay. So students, now today we are going to discuss about that sum of the two rational numbers, subtraction of the two rational numbers. We will see. Next we will see other things. Okay. Solve students, first question given. Solve this plus 3 by 8 plus 7 by 8. You have to do sum, means addition. Students, there are so many methods, so many ways we can add also. If you know that friends, if they are having that observe that if both denominators are same, then each process your numerator should add to and what is the denominator, that is. Okay. Now solution 3 by 8 plus 7 by 8 is equal to 3 plus 7 by 8. Careful observe. If the both denominators are same, any number, any rational number, denominator is same, then what you have to do? Simply one step. 3 plus 7 or minus is there, means also 3 minus 7, whatever that it is sign, that you do, but denominator no change. Are you clear? If the denominator both are same, then numerator will be subtraction or addition. If it is subtraction, subtraction do. If it is addition, addition do. So 10 by 8. Are you clear? So both is denominator same, no simple way, only add it. Okay. Now this equal to solution 15 by 12 plus 3 by 8. Friends, in these cases we cannot do like that. We have to take that first LCM. Okay. So first of all you have to take the LCM of 12 and 8. Right side you should make it 12 and 8 LCM. 2 6 ja 4 ja 2 3 ja and 2 ja. So what will come? 2 2 ja 4, LCM will come 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. So whatever the LCM came, friends, you must make here 24 right here. Carefully again you look. Whatever the both LCM came, that I write here. Yes? Yes, here I wrote. That observe, 24 LCM came, I wrote here. Then what is your work? Very carefully check do. This 24 to divide with it 12. 24 divided by denominator is equal to how much came, friends? 2. 24 divided by denominator, that is the 2. 2 into 15. What is the answer came? 2 into numerator, that is the 30. Write down here, friends, 30. Very carefully, simple way only. Same things only. What is the LCM we got? That right here. That LCM with the divided with the denominator. Very important it is. Don't carry. Don't do cross multiplication way. Don't do. That is one. Split it into the wrong method and you will get that more confusion. So very this is you can do simple same things only. LCM taking after right here. Then this 24 divided with 12. That will come 2. 24 divided by 12 means 2. Okay, 2 into 15, 30. Same like it. 24 divided by 8, 3. 3 into 3, 9. So it is equal to 39 by 24. This is our answer. But some students, what you can do? If you will do multiplication, also we can do, but don't do like that way. Students, observe second method. We can do also. 15 by 12 plus 3 by 8 is equal to, what you have to do, students? Like this you have to multiply. 15 into 8, 120, 12 into 3, 36 by 12 into 8, 96. So 6, 5, 1 by 96 also you can do. But it will biggest number it will come. If 3, 4 numbers it will come, you will get more confusion. If it has given, this way also you can do. But if this way you will habituate, then what is the problem will come? 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 8 plus 3 by 4. If you will do, in this cases what will happen? You have to do this with, then what will come? This with the again plus, like a very difficult will come. So don't worry about that. Just this method you follow. It is very easy. Only LCM take whatever, how many the denominators are there. All denominator LCM take. Divide with the denominator and multiply with the numerator. What is the division quotient will come? That with the numerator. Okay. Now we will go for this. Students, observe same things only, but this answer you have to make it to mixed fraction. Other things are not there. So here 4 denominator 1 is there. So LCM take 15 over. So in these cases, if 1 is there, you can do multiplication direct 15. Okay, because only one denominator is there. So 27 we can do like this, plus 15 for the 60. We can do 87 by 15. We can do, already we have studied that, we do anyway. This is simply only 1 and 15 prime number, then we can do direct. If other number is there, you can do this method also. If 2 numbers is there, if 3 numbers are there, you don't do LCM. Friends, but here you have to make it a mixed fraction. 15, 87 divide means 15 for the 60, 15, 5 are 75. You have to do, how much will come? 87 divided by like this, 15 do, 15, 5 are 75, 2, 12. So we can write 5, 12 by 15. This is our mixed fraction. Okay, friends? So like this we have to do. Next, this answer, second B, this is answer is equal to, friends, this denominator both are same. So write down first 4 and it is minus plus with minus will become. So 25 minus 11 is equal to 14 by 4. If you will do this mixed fraction, 4 3 are 12. This is our answer. Okay, friends? So these already have studied in 7th class, 6th class also, how to do the addition and subtraction. This is your easy method. Okay. So I will rub it. Students, observe here, third question was given to you. Subtract 3 by 5 from 5 by 3. Very carefully understand this. I am doing here, students, you can place for that. Third question I am doing solution here. Question given, subtract 3 by 5 from 5 by 3. Students, most of the students error method they are doing. Here question I will write, students, first take once. Subtract 3 by 5 from 5 by 3. Students, what do we mean? What, from which number? This number to this number, or this number to this number you have to subtract. You will get confusion. Most of the students, you are thinking subtraction 3 from this means 3 by 5 minus 5 by 3. Don't do like this. This is wrong. Subtract 3 from where? From 5 by 3. So we can write it 5 by 3 minus 3 by 5. Okay? Don't do like this. From where? This first number will be last second. So from here, this number, so 3 by 5 subtracted from this. So 5 by 3. So, okay friends, is equal to, what you have to do friends? This is co-prime numbers. So both are the twin primes like. So LCM take, that is the 15. 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 5 ja 25 minus 15 divided by 5, 3. 3 3 ja 9. So how much will come students? 16 by 15. This is our answer. Are you clear students? So next question students, I will draw it. B, 3B, very important question friends. What should be subtracted from 5 by 6 to get this? Students observe, careful question. What should be subtracted from this? That means one number you have to subtract and answer will come this. So that means let the number be, how much means x. One number be x. Okay. So according to the questions, what they are telling? This number is subtracted from this. So 5 by 6 minus x is equal to minus 2 by 3, which implies, students observe here, this minus sign, this will go to the right side. If we take like this, and this will bring to this side, what will become? Now 5 by 6, it will be stay here. This will come to this side. That means plus 2 by 3 is equal to this minus x will go to the side, that is x. Or we can write it, x is equal to 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3. LCM take 6 because this is multiple of this. So 6 divided means 1 into 5 plus 6 divided by 3, 2 is 4. 9 by 6. Hence x is equal to 9 by 6. If we cut 3 with a 3 ja 3 2 ja, so 3 by 2. So hence the required number is 3 by 2. Okay friends, so these are the things of rational numbers, addition and a subtraction. Okay, thank you all of you. Next things we will discuss on the next video.